Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to mute incoming calls ringing sound without pressing lock or power button in Samsung smartphone. So without further more delay, let's begin. Right now you can see my Samsung smartphone. So firstly, just open the settings and just scroll down below. Now here you will see our advanced feature. Just click on it. Now you will see your motions and gestures. Just click on it. Now you will see here mute with gestures option, so you can read the instruction here. Mute incoming calls on alarm by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. So you have two options. You can just touch the display screen or you can just flip it and keep it on the table. So let us check if it really works or not. So let us enable it. And now let me do a phone call on this Samsung smartphone. So you can hear the sound. So let me touch the mobile. So you can see once I touch the display screen, the incoming calls ringing sound gets mute. So you can do the same thing by flipping it on the table also, just like this, to mute. So it's working perfectly. So by using this cool hidden feature, you can easily mute incoming calls ringing sound without pressing lock or power button in Samsung smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.